na. Sige go. Kita. Kena. Shit. Okay. Sure ka record? Ayan.
Video ko ang tornilyo.
Pinawagasan. It doesn't have any dirt at all to avoid lost thread. Pause. Pause lang, okay lang. Tapos sorry. Pause na liwat.
Go.
Pause na. Alright. Sige, record. We're going to remove the sticker, our lacquer sticker. The purpose of this, to see to it that it is already locked and nobody open it without our consent. Then after that, we're going to wash it again or wipe it again with a tissue paper. Post it again. And then from here, to open it up, we're going to use the Xrm. Wow. Pause it again. We're going to use a grip. This tissue paper, we will use it as a grip. Wow. Okay, instead of, we will use this. Yes, we open it up now. Then after that, we're going to wipe it again, the excess oil. Here's the excess oil. We will wipe it up. And then we put it near to our drain plug. So after that, we're going to wipe this area to wipe all the excess dirt. Same here. Alright, we'll wait for the oil to drain. Okay, we'll cover it to avoid some insects to get inside. And then from here, we're going to left our motorbike to drain more the excess oil inside. Or we will move it to the side. No more oil. And then, see, you can see the excess oil. And then, we will move it to the other side again. As you can see, some oil hiding. We call it stagnant oil. And then, back to the natural posture. So, there's more. My procedure here, we will let the motorbike idle for 3 days to suit to it that we would be able to drain all of the oil inside the engine. That's why, as you can see, I am moving it to the side or moving it left or right or backward, forward. to see to it that all the stagnant oil will be drained. Okay, look here again. I will move it to my right, and then there's no oil, and back to the natural position or the original position. As you can see it again, the oil. That's the purpose of it. Okay, I will put it towards me. More oil, and then back to the natural position. Okay, I will pull it backward, and then back to the original position, and then vice versa. No more oil. So there's still oil. Okay, pause naman na. Okay, we will use the 40 SL10W30MA. Before pouring the oil, we're going to return the drain plug. This is an SOP. But before we return the drain plug, we have to wipe the excess oil. Then after that, to avoid lost thread, we will do it gently. Yes, exact. Now this time we're going to tighten the drain plug, but not too much force. We will put it away with the drain pan. Okay, 1, and then 2, and then last 3. Clear and clear. That's it. Okay, we will add 1 more, and 4. Okay, that's it. And then after that, before we pour the engine oil, we're going to open this. It's already sealed. All right, and then totally sealed. Okay, we're going to use the scissor. We will see to it that there is no foreign particles or debris of this. And then now we're going to remove the dipstick. All right, here we go. Okay, from start to finish, you're going to see it as I pour it the oil. You still have a good pulse. Wow. This is the last part. We're going to fast forward it as we added the video. Oop. Wow. Can you zoom the video? Okay, that's the end of it. Then after that, okay, we're going to wipe it up again with the clean tissue paper. Oh, what the heck? Here's the gasket. Okay, we're supposed to put it here. Yes, that's it. And then we will wipe it again. Then after that, we will lock it. Yeah, we will check first the oil. I'm talking about the oil level. Okay, here we go. Here's the oil. Okay, perfect. Now we will lock it now. So as we lock it, we will use the plies, and then we will level this line here. That will be our landmark. One more. One more. Yes, that's it. Okay, we will add one more. Here we go. One more again. That's it. And then after that, this will be our lock. We will use the paper. So the purpose of this is if somebody open this dipstick, we will be able to know. So we will use the rubber. Yes, and then here's the sticker. This is what I hate most. It's really difficult to open this. Okay, again.
No, di pa.
Pause mo na. See. So as we remove it, so this will be the landmark again here on the side. We will place this end of the sticker here, and then from here, oh, this will be the lock, and then that's it. Begin. And for comments and suggestion, please leave a message below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Once again, this is Maestro Singko, and God bless everyone.